Now, here's a good news story for a change. Gift of the Givers is handing over snacks to healthcare workers at the new Somerset Hospital in Cape Town. It's part of their program to appreciate nurses with their Hospital Heroes project. Nobesuthu Hejana is following the story for us. She joins us now live. So, the Gift of the Givers launching the Hospital Heroes project. Tell us how it works.
So, Shahan, it's their first launch here in Cape Town, and they're expected to visit 5 hospitals around the Western Cape. They plan, though, to expand this project to other provinces. The health department in the Western Cape did say about 80 healthcare workers did die from COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic. And the Gift of the Givers are saying this is a token of appreciation to people who have been putting their lives on the front line to help others. But this is what Ali had to say from the Gift of the Givers.
It's launching in the Western Cape. We're doing the 5 hospitals first. Thereafter, we will see. We will be engaging with the individuals and corporates involved with this initiative to see if we can roll it out nationally as well.
No doubt these nurses are happy about this gesture. So how have they been coping working during the second wave? What are they telling you?
Well, Shahan, last year we did a focus on the hospitals who were not coping with the numbers of people being admitted to hospitals, and the health department did say that it's putting a lot of strain, and this year they've decided to also introduce this new initiative or program where they will be helping healthcare workers who were not coping, in terms of like some of them who had contracted the virus, but they were very happy with the snacks and saying that it has been hard for them, and especially the second wave. There at the new Somerset Hospital, they've lost one person through COVID, and they're saying that this will definitely keep the staff morale to ensure that people, they do feel that they are appreciated by the public especially, and this is what one of the nurses had to say.
My experience with this group, it was exceptionally difficult in the beginning. It was a new thing for everybody, not just at Somerset, across the board, right? We had to adapt at a very quick space every day, and I felt for these nurses. You know, they had their own fears. They didn't know where they're coming or going. They didn't know if they're going to, you know, get the COVID virus. And you just hear people dying. That already was an emotional disaster for all of these nurses here. But through everything, we had more than 150 people tested positive. But medical staff, porters, everybody across the board at Somerset Hospital pulled together.